Hey y'all, it's Dream from where the yokels grown. As you can see, we are in the front yard of my gardens, and that's because in today's video we are going to do our very first harvest of our gardens of 2022. I cannot believe we're already here. We are topping at 100-degree temps here at mid-May here in North Texas, so it's just better to get some of these cool weather crops out so we can enjoy that harvest. Plus we have onions and we have garlic and we have beans to harvest as well. So I think the best thing to do is we'll do this first harvest here together. I'll tell you what I'm going to harvest and then we'll come back together and I'll show you everything that I got. So here we go. There it is. First cauliflower of 2022 garden season. How beautiful is that? If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, I am so glad to see you again. Let's get growing, y'all. How beautiful is that? Look at that. Okay, y'all. We're gonna start right here. We have a large cabbage that we need to harvest. We have a large cauliflower that we need to harvest. It's warm out here today. We have some beans and this Three Sisters garden that we have to harvest. We have some beans in this Three Sisters garden that we need to harvest, and I think a little pumpkin in there as well. And then of course the biggest harvests are over here. We have dragon beans to harvest, we have yellow wax beans to harvest, we have container beans to harvest, we have an entire bed of garlic to harvest that's ready. We have onions in this container right here. And we have onions in this container right here that all need to be harvested. It's hard to believe we're doing the first harvest of 2022, isn't it? But here we go. Let's get it done. Okay, y'all, we finally got it all. So we got garlic, onions, 2 heads of cauliflower, and 1 cabbage that's over here, and a pretty good bundle of green beans. This is our first harvest. And for those of you who are new to gardening, who just may be getting your onions out, or you will be getting your onions out about midsummer, when you pull them out of the ground, you have to cure them, you have to let them dry. And I'll show you what that looks like at the end of this video, where I take them and let them dry in just a moment. But you need to let, even your garlic needs to set out and dry until these green leaves right here are completely dry. You want those to be completely dry, and then you can clip the stuff off the bottom, or you can take that and braid it, which is what I will do. And when the time comes, I'll do another video and I'll show you how it's done. So if you found some value in this little video, or you enjoyed it, please give us a like and a thumbs up. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button, because new videos are posted often and I would hate for you to miss anything. Till I see you in the next video, you all keep growing, you keep your heads up. Bye-bye. Okay, y'all, this is what you do with your garlic and onions after you harvest them. You need to lay them out and let them dry for at least 2 to 3 weeks until these stems are completely dry. And I've got some elephant garlic up here that I just harvested yesterday. But there it all is.